The albacore, known also as the longfin tuna, is a species of tuna of the order Perciformes. It is found in temperate and tropical waters across the globe in the epipelagic and mesopelagic zones. There are 6 distinct stocks known globally in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, as well as the Mediterranean Sea. The albacore has an elongate, fusiform body with a conical snout, large eyes, and remarkably long pectoral fins. Its body is a deep blue dorsally and shades of silvery white ventrally. Individuals can reach up to 1.4 meters, 4 feet 7 in length. The albacore is a very economically important fish and is a target of commercial and recreational fisheries. It was originally the basis for the United States tuna canning industry and is no less important today, making up significant percentages of the gross domestic products of various Pacific nations. It was listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature because of the threat of overfishing, but is now least concern again.
Thanks for watching this video. Welcome to E3C Schools. We are highlighting on education, environment and energy.